People from my channel, welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be a mystery. Yeah, you got it right, a mystery. But it's going to be a good one because, let me see, it's going to be a chocolate mystery from Cadbury, a UK brand of chocolates. So, long story short, this week, the third week of July, they released a mystery chocolate where, and also is a challenge where you have to guess and send them on their website what flavor you think, and then you have a chance to win. I think it's £5,000, British pounds. Yeah, that's what I'm going to try today. So I bought this a few days ago. Luckily, it didn't melt, and this how it looks like. Let me just take this off. Yeah, as you see, mystery bar. So, solve the mystery flavor for a chance to win 5k mystery prize. There you go. This is the bar, two ones. So they have two flavors. What is this? Oh, this is my purchase order. Oh, a gift for you. Thank you. Thank you. So let's go. There's two mini bars. Mystery bar 1 and 2. We're gonna leave this for another occasion. I'm probably gonna give it someone to help. But this big one, this is what we're gonna do. 1 and 2. Never mind. So yeah, this is quite big. I can see from the size. I know you may be thinking, oh, but you can check the ingredients and they say there's a flavor. No. So because they can put like just they can say flavor percentage, blah blah, and yeah, that's what they say. Milk chocolate with flavor filling. So milk chocolate is outside, obviously. The flavor filling is a flavor.
Yes, exactly.
Ingredients say the same thing. So this is number 2.
Bruh.
And number 1, same thing. Flavor, filling flavor. So there you go. Not mission so to win. Let's go. Let's start with number 1 first. Let's see how it looks like. Oh damn. I wanna open this. I want to be careful. Oh, there you go. That's it. Ooh, it's a bit. Oh, such an accident. It melted a little bit, so that's fine. There you go. Wait a second. That's it. Quite big. And for that, let's break in half. Oh, this is number 1, yeah. So let's try first bit. Well. This is what I'm feeling. The flavor, I have no idea. I would say it's a bit fruity. It's hard. Ooh. Let's go for another one. I have no clue. Never mind. On the website, I'm gonna say damn it. I don't think. I have no idea. Wait.
And release all of those sounds that are trapped in your mind.
The next day.
I've tasted this before, I know. Damn it. I can really feel a lot of milk chocolate. Well, obviously from the outside, but the inside, I have no idea. Damn it. I'm gonna type this on the website, and it will be let me see. Will be vanilla. That's it, vanilla. Guys, I left half of it because I'm gonna share this with other people, with my colleagues, my friends. I'm gonna take this to them. It's here. So now let's go into bar number 2. The score on that, on both of them, if this is the same. Wow. If this is the same, let me see. I cannot give a score because there's no they don't say what taste it is, so I cannot say if it's truly that. So never mind. Let's go for number 2. The same feeling. Number 1, I'll say vanilla. Ooh, this is different. Much stronger. Nah, I cannot smell bad. Strawberry. I'll go for strawberry. Number 1, vanilla. Number 2, strawberry. That's it. Wow. Ooh. Guys, same thing for this one. I wanna leave it here. I wanna share with other people, with my friends, the same. I wanna ask them their opinion, and then they can try their luck. And yeah, that's it. Guys, let me just finish it. Put this over here. There it is. Amazing people. Thanks again for your support. I really appreciate what I've been doing since I started the channel. Please leave a like, that helps out the channel. Comment below what you want to see. And don't forget to press that subscribe button. And until next episode. Cheers.